Good afternoon. Welcome to the Mendel Walk of Vienna. This is a kind of outreach activity in celebrating the 200th birthday anniversary of Gregor Mendel, who has laid the foundation of the science of genetics. My name is Johann Vollmann, and I'm working at the University of Natural Resources and Life Sciences in Vienna, which is also called BOKU. And fortunately, I'm not alone here, but there are colleagues with me joining me on this virtual walk. I like to call for Barbara Fischer. Are you here?
Yes, I am. Thank you very much. I am Barbara Fischer. I'm an evolutionary biologist at the University of Vienna, and I'm also part of the Interreg EU project between Austria and the Czech Republic, which funds some of the activities to celebrate the 200th anniversary of Gregor Mendel this year.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Great, Barbara, thank you. I also like to call Angela and Eva Maria. Hello.
Hello, hi. Yes, we are artists, and we did a concept for an intervention at the Mendel Memorial in the 20th district, and we are going to do a little presentation for you during the walk of Dr. Vollmann.
Yeah, I'm very happy to see you right now, and we will come to you back in a minute. And the last speaker I like to say hello is Otrun Mittelsten-Scheid. Hi, Otrun. We can't hear you.
Thank you very much for the invitation to contribute to this walk, virtual walk. I'm very happy to represent the Gregor Mendel Institute from the plant science side.
Mm-hmm.
Looking forward to the other contributions.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Great. Okay, I will once again try to share my screen. You should see my screen right now. And as Barbara has already mentioned, this Mendel Walk is part of an activity which is actually an Interreg project between the Czech Republic and Austria. And there are several Czech institutions and several Austrian institutions taking part in this. And the 200th birthday of Gregor Mendel was a great occasion to work together between these institutions. And the main purpose of that project actually is rebuilding Gregor Mendel's greenhouse, his glass house, in the backyard or in the garden of the Augustinian monastery in Brno. And beside that, we have a number of events in this year. I also like to mention, if you are not perfectly familiar with that kind of webinar, you can see an F&A, Frage und Antwort, or Q&A, question and answer button somewhere on your screen. And if you have any questions, just write them in. Someone already has asked me about whether we need good shoes for a walk. Yes, we need very good shoes because it's a very long walk, over 25 kilometers or something, which we will do in 1.5 hours. So let's proceed a little bit. And we ask question, Mendel Walk Vienna, why are we doing this? And I want to outline only two aspects, and this is inspiration and communication. Inspiration is very, very essential in science to generate new ideas, to formulate new experiments and so on, and to get progress. And at the same time, communication is very, very important. And Gregor Mendel was inspired in his very early years by his rural agricultural environment of Moravia. Then when he joined the Augustinian monastery, he was inspired by the scientific discussions he had in the monastery with his colleagues, with his brothers. And then he arrived to Vienna, and he was a student at the University of Vienna. And he was inspired, and this is what we want to show you as well here today. He was undoubtedly inspired by some of the professors at the university. Later on in his career, what also can be seen pretty clearly, he was also inspired by Charles Darwin and by others. And still now, historians of science are discussing what was Mendel's goal. What did he want to achieve? Did he want to demonstrate how fertilization is working when you pollinate one plant with another plant, how the embryo develops? Did he want to show how plant breeding is working? Did he want to show how inheritance, transferring of information from one generation to the other is working? Or did he want to look into evolution? This is still not very clear. And also we will have a look at Mendel's communication, and we also will have a look at what we can see in Vienna, in present day Vienna, what we can see from Mendel in present day Vienna, how this is communicating. And we consider communication of science to be very, very essential. If we do not communicate properly to the public, people will turn around and they will turn to alternative facts if the science facts are not communicated. And we can see this in genetics. Many people are very, very skeptic about genetics, not only about genetic engineering, but about plant breeding, about gene editing, or they are skeptic about mRNA-based vaccines, and so on and so on. So inspiration and communications is very important. If you travel to Brno in these days, you can see a tram, and the tram says Mendel is inspiring Brno since 200 years. That's a great tram. Now let's have a look on the route we are going today. We will cross Vienna from the northwest to the southeast. We will start at Gregor Mendelstraße, and this is my home base. This is the University of Natural Resources and Life Sciences. We will meet Erich Czermak there. Then we will jump to the northeast of Vienna. We will go to Friedrich Engelsplatz, and there is a half-forgotten monument, a Mendel monument, which we can find there. And from there, we will jump right into the city center of Vienna. First, we will see the University of Vienna, Mendel's professors, some of Mendel's professors, and then we will walk through downtown Vienna. And we will have a short stop at the Academy of Sciences, and then we will get to the south of the Ringstraße. And this is the area where Mendel lived when he was a student. We will see some interesting things around there. Then we jump down to the Botanical Garden, where Mendel worked, or where he attended lectures and exercises. And last but not least, we will meet Otrun at the Gregor Mendel Institute. So that's the plan of our walk, and we will start. I'm happy to start.